Good morning, everyone. Now I want to show you on how to use the Do More Designer 2.8.3 and to write the ladder diagram for the Do More PLCs. So look at this. This is my environment of this Do More Designer on 2.8.3. So this is the latest version. And so here we can have a file, edit, search, view, tool, PLC, debug, window, and help. And so this is a main menu. And here, so this is my this is my ladder diagram I just built. So here the first run, right? So here is the first run. So first run, we have this is the red button. This is X1. The address is X1, and the green button X2. And we also have a fan, this actuator. And please note this fan is the fan is usually driven by the AC motor, and to drive a fan using the DC motor, and we need to have this a contact. We need to have a relay. So here I'm going to this one show you. So here's a fan. This fan address is the output of the PLC. So here is the same address for the fan. We can see clearly. So this first round is the so-called is a start and stop and seal-in circuit. It is called a stop seal-in circuit because the fan here, this output and this input, and they have the same address as Y1. So so usually this is the red button. Okay? This red button is the emergency stop button. So that we usually see. As the green button is a start button. If we press the green button, and if we press the green button, so this is the current can fly from the left leg and to right, and go through here. If we click this button, so the current flow can go through this green button, and then go here to reach this this output. As a result, the output will be energized. However, because this address and this address are exactly the same, so this is called seal-in. If this one is energized, so this one will be true also. That's the reason even if you just press this button and then release the button momentarily, so the current can still go from the left leg through this is stop red button, which is stop button, and go through this branch and still reach this is output. So that's the reason we call this a start stop seal-in circuit. So let me recap and what I just talk about this run. So if you press the green button, and even if you just press it and then release it momentarily, the fan will be energized, and the fan will be turned on and will be continue to be turned on until you click this red button. So next run is the fan. If the fan is turned on, and the timer will be triggered. So this is a timer. So here's the timer. The timer is a T0, and you can just specify the name, and you can just specify the preset value. For here, I specified 15 seconds. I'm going to go after I go through this whole this is the ladder diagram. Then I'm going to show you how to end each of these is input and output instructions. So here is T0. If the T0 this accumulation ladder is accumulation, this is a value is greater than 5, and the green light will be turned on, right? So because the timer is start from 0. So after 5 seconds, so this is the green light will be turned on. So next one is T0 dot ACC is also the timer's accumulation value. If this value is greater than 10, so the yellow light is turned on, right? So finally, if this is if this is T0, if this is T0, the done bit is turned on. That means if the time is out, and so this is red light will be turned on. So I'm going to show you how to change this. Actually should be T0, not the T2. You can see very clearly that this is do more, and you can just change the value by typing in. So you can just after you change it, and you can just click this one to confirm, or you can just click the cross to cancel on what you have changed. So here, after you change anything, so this is yellow bar, vertical yellow bar, and will appear. It shows that so this run has been changed, and then you can accept it here, right? Accept it. After you accept it, so this one becomes green. So now I'm going to. This is the first ladder diagram, and using the Do More designer to build the ladder diagram for the Do More PLC. So I'm going to show you here, right? Go if you want to edit anything, if you build a new ladder diagram, and you will reach this is either edit mode. So this edit, once you click this edit mode, so instruction toolbox will appear here. So contact. So this is contact here. This is the normally open, normally close, leading edge, one shot. Actually, this is leading edge one shot here. So greater, equal to, less than relational contact. So not equal to. You can see a lot of other commonly see. This is the context. So this is a contact, and then look at the coil bit IO. The coil is output. This is for output. So they have end coil, the flasher. So this is immediate discrete input, and outer coil. We use this one. So this is outer coil here. Outer coil out immediate bit. This for bit address. It must be specified. Rest I coil, and set, and this is rest. This is reset bit. So this is the coil, and this is analog. This is device process also here. So this is a CTRIO. So here, this is a CTRIO. So let me show you the timer, right? So this because we use the timer and the counter a lot. Hardware device, high speed, math. You can do the math here also. Miscellaneous and data manipulation. This is program control call, and this is enable task go to. You can do this one. So program looping for next. Protocol customer, protocol standard, and stream. You can do stream. It's very powerful. This is a timer, counter, the drum, the timer, right? This is a counter. This is up counter, down counter, common timer, drummer, timed event drum. So here is a timer. We use this timer, right? So this is a normal timer you used. I'm going to show you. Okay, so you can just click it, and you can edit the timer structure. This is this is data structure. So you can specify the name. You can specify name, and then you can specify the preset value. And then you can click it. And so you can also, if you are not sure, and you can, I'm going to show you how to give a timer here. Okay, I have a timer. You can see if you put a timer, you can, if you want to add a timer on any of these runs, and you can just drag this timer onto the place where you want to go, and then this one will happen. Say, because here I already have a timer, so it says on top of the existing structure and replace it, and you can click it. Or if there's nothing there, and you will see, you can also, or either on top, or you can insert above the existing instruction, or insert below the existing instruction. So here is how to end the timer. So this is, you just drag the instruction, and from here and to the place where you want to put in the layer diagram. And then I'm going to show you on how to add. This is the branches here, edit. So this is the where. If you want to insert a run, you can just go to edit, insert, and here is run what, and below the cursor or after the cursor, here, this is the coil. You can click this one. So you can just have excuse me, instructions here. So this is edit. Okay, the wire. Okay, you can build the wire here. So you can see, say suppose I want another timer. Say I want to build a parallel branch here. So what should I do? So first I go here. Okay, so this, I click this one, and then I go to edit, and where, because going down, I want to have another branch. Oh no, just 1 second. Let me put it here. So you can easily change the name. So this is a very, very beautiful property of. Let me put it here. Okay, so here, just I'm going to show you how to build the branch. Go edit, where, going down. See, going down, right? And then I'm going down, and then right. Going right. And then I can put another instruction here. And let me put a instruction, and I'm just going to show you guys and how to contact instruction. I just go normally open, just drag it here. So here you need to specify the address. I can just specify, let's see, suppose this one is X, so X1, X2, and let me see X4, just to give you example, X4. And then I can just write something, description. Okay, so write some description. I can just write, say, so if some conditions is met, let's see, you can write whatever you want to see. You write here, then you click select, then you can accept it, and then, so you have not finished yet, and this is where now it's going up. See, going up here, and then I need to go in left to make sure I have closed. No, so I have finished the ending. This is a new branch, and then I just accept it. After you accept this one, this newly added the branch, so it will be optimized. So you can see 1, 2, 3. I have 3 branches, 3 parallel branches for this part. Now this is so after you finish everything, so this is because this one temporarily is on your computer, on your desktop or laptop, so you need to download it onto the PLC. You can use this one. right? So write PLC. So switch to program mode, then download project. So you can click OK. Now it's sending. The system is sending. So do more. Now, so I just send this one to the PLC, and you can see the status. Right? So this is the status. Now this is the my first. Also, so this is my first example of how to use the Do More designer and to build the ladder diagram for the Do More and the PLC. Do More PLC is very user friendly, and editing the ladder diagram is relatively easy. And I hope you enjoy building this ladder diagram for Do More PLCs. So all the following videos will be provided soon. So remember, after you finish every of the ladder diagrams you have finished, and please save it, and to make sure and your time and energy are not wasted. Okay, so save it, and that is for our first lesson about ladder diagram building and using PLC, using Do More designer for Do More PLCs. So I hope you have a wonderful day.